Hey Wildcats, Miss Murphy here with a quick overview of how to use the college search in SchooLinks to start exploring or to continue exploring your college options. I do want to say SchooLinks is not the one and done, the only resource that exists in the world for you to explore colleges. It is one tool. It is the tool, the platform that District 128 supports and provides. So I encourage you to explore it, but I also encourage you to compare data, look at data, explore options with tools that feel comfortable to you, and ultimately help you get to that list and to those steps and options that you want to consider. So to start a college search, you're going to start by signing on from your ClassLink page, single sign on to SchooLinks. You're going to go to this left-hand toolbar and select colleges and then school search. Keep in mind, I've reminded for some of you, you'll have heard this before, but keep in mind, Illinois is an auto filter, and I've already done a couple searches, so I'm just cleaning this up. But as you start the college search, this is what's going to pop up automatically. The filters that SchooLinks has auto set are set for the state of Illinois, public institutions, private institutions. So if you are considering college outside of the state of Illinois, which is absolutely okay, you're going to just X that Illinois out and you're going to watch your map expand, your options expand, and now you can make this the search that you want it to be. So public or private institution, that's typically an okay filter. Campus, school type, a lot of you will be looking for four-year colleges, so you may want to go ahead and start with that to already shrink the pool a little bit more. And then you're going to decide things like location, school size, U.S. region. So for me, I'm going to pick a city, an urban setting. I don't really care about school size today, and U.S. region, I'm going to go ahead and say I'm going to stick with the Midwest. I do want to remind you too, sometimes if you put in too many criteria, if you get too specific, your list will shrink. So I would say start broader and then continue to shrink the list. Admissions, you can look for based on GPA information, testing information, sports, degree type. Most of you are going to be thinking about a four-year bachelor's degree, and then perhaps some other factors. I'm also going to type in here, I know that I'm interested in a marketing degree, so something kind of general and business related. And so we're going to see what comes up. And I have 180 schools that now pop up for me to explore. So let's just say maybe I haven't heard of, Case Western, and I've been to Cleveland before and really like it. So I'm going to click on Case Western. That takes me out to remember that each college has their specific page with a lot of information about that school, from what the campus looks like, feels like, what the enrollment's like, different things like that. And then I'm going to go back pretending that I've reviewed this and I really like what I see. I'm going to go back in here and say, Case Western gets a heart. I'm going to favorite that school. I could add notes here if I want to, but I do not have to. It is saved the heart. And so now if I go over to colleges, favorites and lists, you'll see that Case Western now pops up as an option. I'm going to do another video. You'll see a video in your YouTube options that talks about building that kind of safety target and likely list. It's going to talk about comparing admission stats and kind of taking a deep breath around admission stats and where you stand related to admissions. But just a quick reminder as I end this video, you can filter this search however you want. You can go back and forth with some of the factors that you want to search for. And you can always go, if this icon, this little kind of XY bar graph comes up, that means there is a scattergram in existence for that school. And you're able to see 5-year historical data on admission stats for LHS students to that school. But again, I'll go into depth a little more on that with my other video related specifically to admissions and admissions guides. Happy searching.